Good morning. Welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, the home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm George Johnson, the Bonanza Man, and today we're here to look at a beautiful 2001 prime condition A36 Bonanza that's air conditioned. Let's take a look. This beautiful A36 has the IO550 300 horsepower special edition engine with GAMI fuel injectors, B&C standby alternator, and the JPI EDM 700 graphic engine monitor. Total time on this engine is only 1,350 hours since new, and it only has 643 hours since top overhaul with all new cylinders. November 403 Sierra Alpha only has 1,350 hours total time since new. It has 74 gallons of usable fuel, which gives you a range of about 800 miles, and it's between 170 and 175 knots at cruise. In addition to that, the wing Spar AD does not apply to this airplane, and it has factory air conditioning. November 403 Sierra Alpha has excellent original paint and interior. This is a prime condition airplane. It's white overall with dark blue metallic, black metallic, and gold metallic stripes. What a beautiful machine. 403 Sierra Alpha has reversible club seating with very flexible seats. You can fold these seats up out of the way, or you can pull these two pins and take the seat right out. In addition to that, the front two seats can be reversed forward facing so everybody can seat forward, and you do have an aft baggage compartment. This Bonanza has a very roomy and comfortable interior. I'm a big guy and I've got plenty of headroom, plenty of elbow room. I've got a nice armrest here, and the interior is in great original condition. Take a look at the condition of these leather seats, the side walls, the cabin table, the headliner. It's in excellent original condition for a 2001 Bonanza A36. November 403 Sierra Alpha has an excellent avionics suite, including the King KFC 225 Autopilot, Flight Director, slaved HSI system with altitude and vertical speed pre-select and yaw damp. You can shoot a fully coupled ILS and GPS approach with this Autopilot. It also has GPS-S steering. It has the Garmin GNS 530W and 430W, GPS navcoms with WAAS. It has a WX500 Stormscope. It has the Garmin GDL 88 for ADS-B in and out, giving you subscription-free ADS-B traffic and weather. In addition to that, it has Garmin GTX 800 active traffic, and it has the Garmin FlightStream 210 for Bluetooth integration to your iPad. Other features you will enjoy are the 24-volt electrical system, approach flaps, electric elevator trim, B&C standby alternator, standby vacuum system, Rosen sun visors, electric standby attitude indicator, co-pilot brakes, 3 light strobes on the wingtip and tail, and more. If you want a great buy in a low time, prime condition, air-conditioned Bonanza A36, you need to visit Greensboro, North Carolina and see Carolina Aircraft for November 403 Sierra Alpha. This airplane only has 1,350 hours total time since factory new. The engine has 654 since top overhaul with all new cylinders. The airplane is equipped with a great Garmin avionics package, including the KFC 225 Autopilot, Flight Director, slaved HSI system with altitude and vertical speed pre-select and yaw damp. It has the Garmin 530W, 430W avionics with ADS-B traffic and weather subscription free. It also has the Garmin active traffic, the GTX 800, and it has the FlightStream 210 for Bluetooth integration. Come visit Carolina Aircraft in Greensboro, North Carolina to see this great Bonanza and all of our other Bonanzas and Barons. Have a great day.